number 17. Yes, let's make a story. A Darbhead, I gotta add your points. Let me make a note so I don't forget. Darb 25 credit. Start out the box with an Aiden Miller base. Green on the back is a first Bowman of Carlos Silva for the Twins and Ski. Agustin Ramirez base. Green first of Ramon Landada. 2 packs, 2 green firsts. That one's a team color match. Landada 95 of 99. Agustin Ramirez for JG. First pack without a color. Vanderhee, Santana, Arias, and Marcelo Meyer. Yellow first of Johan Fran. The Red Sox and Jared Hall. 20 out of 75. My favorite name in the set. Johan Fran Garcia. Arias Forrester. We have golds. Will it have ink? It's Will. For the Phillies, it's Heredia. Karam. 34 of 50. I've found myself on eBay before. It's always funny. Just scrolling. Whether it's just looking for repack cards or whatever. People screenshotting their cards from breaks. It's always an honor to make it onto the eBay. Green first of Marobel. From Iwase to Karam. We had 4 colors that box. They were all firsts. And all base in the last pack right there. DePaula Gold for the Dodgers, 5 of 50. Arianamo yellow out of 75. Come on, let's see a big name. Or a Papa. Green first of Marobel. Cornering the market on the green Marobels. 80 and 57 out of 99. Dale's a grinder. He's always grinding. Either inspecting cards for grading or sorting or listing. He's a true hobby grinder. Unfortunately, no Phillies for Paul Michio. With the Aiden Miller base auto. The corner, this corner actually looks good. Bottom left. Bottom left corner looks good. Bottom right on the back. It looks pretty good to me. I would just send it in if the corner is the issue. I mean, I'm not an expert at all. But the one yesterday definitely had a clear ding. That one looks sharp. 2 autos in the 2 box. Both go to the Phillies. Gotcha. Yellow of Santana. And our last pack. Lombard and an Arias. Selling is work, but it's rewarding. And it allows you to buy more stuff. Unless you could just buy forever without selling, of course, then that sounds fun. You got it, man. I don't know what's going on with the lack of Cruz. It's odd. Seems like Cruz is nowhere to be seen in our cases. All right, so the Miller goes into the PSA pile.